Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Queen Aqua here, Jakayla Brian, and I just thought that I would come give a quick little update on the garden, and I show you guys what's new. And I just actually uploaded an episode a day ago, so go and check that out as well if you haven't. And yeah, so we're going to hop off into it, and I really want to show y'all the process of my zinnia flower that is now in the blossoming stage. And yeah, so let's hop off into it. All right, y'all, so I just uploaded a video, and if you go back and look at the video, this wasn't like this, okay? But now look at our zinnia. So she is fully blossoming now, and she's just really opening up, as time goes, and she looks very amazing. Like, this is my very first flower that is blossoming. You can see she's pretty big, and yeah, so I'm just showing you guys the journey of this beautiful flower. And yeah, so this is how she is looking, and she is really bringing a lot of joy to me. Like, I am smiling as I'm talking. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it, and to just really see how big she's going to go. So yeah, there's a lot more little things that are going to be opening up. So yeah, it's going to be more. All right, y'all, so this is what we have going on in the back. Okay, before I get started, I went yesterday and bought some mulch. Okay, so I can't wait to lay this down where it needs to go. Okay, I'm very excited about this. All right, so moving on into the planters, nothing new is here yet, but we're going to move down to here. We have some zinnias that popped up. I believe these are zinnias. They may be dahlias, but I think these are zinnias that are coming up, so I'm pretty excited about that. All right, the sage is doing well. The leaves are coming in, so you guys can see the leaves are coming in. All right, y'all, so down here, what's new is right here is a dahlia that came up yesterday, I believe. Right here is okra. So this is okra. So let me make sure you guys can see that okra in there. You guys can see that. So that's okra that is coming out of the seed. All right, so that is new. And what I did with this is I literally, like, just like out of nowhere, I just was moving the soil, and then I seen the green, and I'm like, oh shit, we got something here. And I was so excited. I was so excited. So that is two there, and this is another okra one. Just got to see when that one is going to come up or not. All right, and back here is lettuce. So I've been trying to get some lettuce for some months, well, maybe about 2 months now, and I got nothing. So this was really exciting to see come up, so I'm pretty happy about that. Look at that zinnia, she's doing okay. So hopefully we get a zinnia back going off up in here, because if you watch episode, I believe 2, then you will see how this was just not doing well. All right, it wasn't doing well at all. All right, so yeah, I kind of this was the zinnia that came up at last minute, and she was all the way over here in the corner, so I dug it up, and then I put her right there, and then I put the radish seeds right here. So that's a radish right there. So that is what's new down here. And once the dahlia come up, she's going to be up here or whatnot like that. So yeah. All right, so this is the new addition to the garden. Okay, now if you have followed me on Instagram, or if you do follow me on Instagram, then you know I had a pepper plant before, but that one did not do well. I had no idea what I was doing. So in here, the radish was in here, but the radish didn't bulb, so that was like out. So I went yesterday when I brought the mulch, I got me another pepper plant, so I'm very excited about this one. So I went ahead and took it out of the container or the training pot and put it in here. So I actually love it in here so much. I'm not sure how I was going to do, but we just, yeah, you know, we just gonna see if I can get it right this time around. Okay, and she already have some big ones in there. These are a changing, so I'm going to be getting those soon. And yeah, so I am pretty excited about it. And she's pretty big, you know, she's pretty big. So yeah, that's the new addition to that. So let's hope that I do okay with this one. All right, moving along to where the potatoes are. I put 2 more potatoes in here because they actually grew roots. So I was like, well, you know what, I might as well put them in here and see how they do. I'm not sure how they would do, but we would just see what's going to come up with it, if we get some green or not. And then I looked over and then I seen this here. Now I did put some seeds in here on both sides, but I don't know what. But we have something here, I just don't know what it is. And I seen it yesterday, I believe, or this morning. So yeah, that is pretty exciting to see. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. But this is where the potatoes will be. So yeah, it's not really much going on. I did harvest some more parsley from here, so that's why it's pretty open. I used it to cook with about some hours ago. So yeah, and as you can see, it's just more that is coming up. There's like a little one in there that is coming up. You guys can see that in there. So this, it just grows and grows. So I took a leaf from here to cook with, and I took some from up front too, from that one up front as well, to cook with. So I think I really love how this one is, you know, just like kind of a naked here and then all of the leaves up here. I think that's how I'm going to keep it trimmed. So I really do love it. And she's actually growing more leaves ever since I put her in here. She's been doing okay. There goes some more leaves, and if you open that up there, you see some more leaves up there too. So I'm pretty excited about it. So she is adjusting to this spot from the move from up there by the Zinnia. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. So that's just a little update. I'm not going to go over everything else, but yeah, yeah, that is that. So if you all would like to see behind the scenes of me doing whatever in the garden, then you can go and subscribe to the getaway on my website. Now it is $9.99 a month, because the getaway is going to come with a lot more content, a lot of work that I do, a spiritual, a motivational, whatever it is. Okay, a lot of exclusive blog posts, recipes, a collective, a tarot readings, just a lot of stuff. So if you would like to see more of me, even my day-to-day life, like my morning routine or a day in my life, you know, I'm just going to have a lot of things there. Okay, so if you guys would like to see more of me, just raw content, because it won't be no type of edit going on, then go and subscribe to the getaway. All right, I will be doing a sale maybe in some weeks, so you, if you want to, then you can catch the sale and get the first month a half off. But until then, it's $9.99. okay, so go and check that out if you would like to be a part of the getaway with me. And yeah, that's just seeing a lot of behind the scenes of everything that I do, and just shit that I won't share on here. A lot of my knowledge as well. I'm a very knowledgeable person. Okay, all right, if you know an Aquarius, you know that we are knowledgeable. Okay, so yeah, but that's what I wanted to show, is the garden update and what's new. So like I say, I can't wait to see this pepper plant flourish. Okay, let's have faith, okay, that I get it together this time around. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see y'all maybe tomorrow or in another day to get a peep at the zinnia flowers. So yeah.